We are now at the point in your case where the defense attorney has requested that you submit to a medical examination by a doctor or doctors hired by the defense. And this is another very important proceeding in your case, and we want to make absolutely sure that we prepare you for this proceeding. By court rule, the defense has a right to hire their own doctors to review your records, to look at any films or diagnostic tests, and to perform a physical examination on you. We make sure that a fairly detailed written stipulation is executed between me and the defense attorney, setting forth the terms and condition of your exam, the time and the date, and the name and expertise of the examiner. So you will be getting written information from my office about what to expect and how to conduct yourself during the examination process. I can't predict with certainty how long the exam will take. Usually they take within 2 to 3 hours. Again, it's going to depend on the number of doctors involved and the extent of your injuries and medical condition and treatment records that are at issue in the case. It's important when you are at the medical examination that you refrain from making statements that could damage your case. For instance, making statements to the defense doctor that you feel great, that you've never felt better, that your injuries weren't that bad. Those statements will certainly show up in the medical examiner's report, and that medical doctor will use them to further minimize your injuries or your condition or your case so as to help the defendant and the defendant's insurance company. You also need to be aware that when you're at the defense medical examination that everything that you do is being scrutinized. For example, if you walk into the examination room confidently, without any pain, you go through the maneuvers and there's no grimacing or anything like that, the doctors often will use that, they'll refer to that as further evidence that your injuries are either completely resolved or that your injuries were never that bad in the first place. So just be aware that not only what you say may have an impact, but how you act and how you conduct yourself in the examination can also have an effect.